How to use Trust and Will Online Will Builder properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Trust and Will makes it easy to create an online will, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost time, money, and even legal validity. The first mistake is rushing through the process. Most people assume the online form is self-explanatory, but skipping questions or overlooking details can create gaps in your estate plan. Take your time to answer every prompt thoroughly. Another common error is not updating your will. Life changes, marriage, divorce, new children, or major asset purchases can make an old will invalid or confusing. Review your will regularly and update it as needed. Many users forget to designate backups. Naming a primary executor is crucial, but also select a secondary executor in case your first choice cannot serve. This ensures your estate is handled smoothly. Neglecting to follow proper signing and witnessing procedures is another pitfall. Trust and Will provides guidance, but failing to sign in front of witnesses or not notarizing when required can invalidate the document. Finally, some assume online wills are one size fits all. Complex estates, business interests, or blended families may need additional legal advice. Don't rely solely on the online builder for complicated situations. To use Trust and Will Online Will Builder properly, take your time completing the form, update it as life changes, designate backup executors, follow signing and witnessing rules, and seek professional advice when necessary. Avoid these mistakes, and your will be legally sound, clear, and enforceable.